Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for May 21st. A 21 and up Carnival Cruise. Carnival Cruise Line has announced that its Carnival Magic sailing on November 1st will now be a special casino cruise. In a notice to guests, Carnival said the voyage will cater to casino players and will carry a minimum age requirement, meaning only passengers 21 and older will be allowed to sail. Any reservation that has guests under 21 is going to be canceled, refunded, or given other options. A passenger booked with his family told our tip line that a Carnival vacation planner said that the 21 and up cruise is a test by Carnival. And new federal data shows 48 crimes were reported on cruise ships in the first quarter of this year, marking the highest Q1 total since the reporting began. The majority, 33 cases, involved inappropriate conduct, with additional reports of serious assault and theft over $10,000. Experts say rising passenger volumes post-pandemic are partly to blame. In recent years, cruise lines have doubled down in enforcing their codes of conduct by issuing fines, booting people off ships, and banning guests for life. And Costa Favolosa underwent deep cleaning in Edinburgh earlier this week after a gastrointestinal outbreak impacted several guests. The cleaning occurred during a 19-night Mediterranean and Northern Europe cruise. While the exact illness wasn't confirmed, cruise lines worldwide have been battling the rise of cases with norovirus this year, including one yesterday with Crown Princess in Sydney, Australia. Guests were asked to leave their cabins or disembark while crew sanitized high-touch surfaces. As of all outbreaks that occur outside of U.S. waters, it was not reported to the CDC. And cruise stocks were down on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 22.90. Royal Caribbean down 1.9%, 249.14. Norwegian down 4%, 18.17. And Viking down 5%, 44.73. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.